First, go to your eBay orders page. Find the item you want to auto-order and click View Order Details. On the Order Details page, scroll down and locate the Auto Order button. Click the Settings gear icon to open the Auto Order configuration panel. If Get Link instead of Auto Order is enabled, make sure to disable it for direct ordering. If you'd like to use the gift option, enable it. This ensures the product is sent without any of your personal information. Next, type your gift message, and in the gift message sender box, enter your store name. Once done, close the configuration window. If the item doesn't already have a custom label SKU, click on Get SKU. Now simply click Auto Order. EcomSniper will automatically fill in your customer's shipping details and prepare the order on Amazon. All you have to do is click Place Your Order to complete the process. Now, if your Amazon account is on a different computer or browser, you can still use the auto order feature, but make sure EcomSniper is installed on both browsers. Otherwise, it won't work. Here's how. On the eBay order page, click the Settings gear icon to open the auto order configuration panel. Now enable Get Link instead of auto order. For best results, we recommend setting up the package personalization. Gift message. Type, "Thanks for shopping." Gift message sender. Enter your eBay username. Important, if you don't have a custom label SKU set for your item, click Get SKU. Without it, the auto order process will not work properly. Next, click Copy Auto Link. Open the browser where you're already logged into your Amazon account. Paste the copied auto link into the address bar and press Enter. EcomSniper will automatically fill in your order information for you. Click Next Step, then click Place Your Order. That's it. Your order is now automatically confirmed.